Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today we're going to learn how to make these amazing Play-Doh football surprise eggs. You can see all these brightly coloured footballs here. Let's see what's inside this football. It's Lego Thor. Huh! It seems like a great day for saving the universe. See how high I can jump. And back down again. Let's see what's inside this football. It's Poppycorn the Shopkin. Hi everybody! And what's inside here? It's Spike from My Little Pony. Why, hello there! And inside here we have... Wow, it's Lego Elsa. Pleased to meet you, everyone. What's inside this green football? We have Minion. Yadada, rattadi-dabi, rababa. What's inside this green and blue football? It's Judy Hopps. Hi guys!
Yabadi, rapapada, boom! Ha ha ha! Yaratarabadi, tarabararapa, yara, whoosh! Parapiditido, pragadit.
What are you saying? No, I do not want to take over the world with a rocket. Well, I have an idea. Maybe we could go and find a magic stone and cast a magic spell. Or perhaps we could sew and make a fabulous ball gown. Come on guys, let's just save the universe. First, take a toy of your choice and place inside a ball of Play-Doh. Doesn't matter what colour, but I'm going to use red. Make sure the Play-Doh is a perfect round ball. Then take some blue Play-Doh for the ball's surface. Using the rolling pin, make it nice and flat. And very carefully, using a craft knife, cut out some pentagon shapes. Pentagons have 5 sides. These are going to form the pattern on our football. Place the shapes onto the ball. And score a line after every corner. This will show you where to stick the other shapes. And repeat again, making some more pentagons. Be very careful when using a craft knife and get an adult to help you. And there we have it, our completed football. Did you have fun making our surprise footballs? SpongeBob is having lots of fun right now. Did you have fun making our surprise footballs? I hope so. Olaf has some new friends. This is Rosie, Flake, and Mr. Melty. Why, hello there!
Hello,
a laugh. I've got a lovely hat on and also a secret.
What's your secret?
I'll show you. What's inside Rosie the Snow Woman? It's Minion Pig from Angry Birds.
Oh, wow!
Hi, Olaf. I've also got a secret. What's inside this snowman? It's Princess Celestia.
Very nice to meet you, Princess. What about you, Mr. Melty? Oh, I've got a surprise too.
Let's see what's inside. It's Raphael the Ninja Turtle.
Cowabunga!
Now let's learn how to make our surprise snowmen. Take the first toy and put it inside a ball of white Play-Doh. Roll it around, making a perfect ball. Next, take another piece of white Play-Doh and make a slightly smaller ball. Put this on top. Then make an even smaller ball and put that on the very top. It's a lot like making a real snowman. Next, take a piece of yellow Play-Doh and flatten. We're going to make the hat, so flatten the yellow piece onto the smallest ball. Then roll out some thin sausage shapes in yellow and pink. Twist them together and attach them to the sides. Make some pom-poms out of pink Play-Doh. Roll out some very small thin strips to make the lining of the hat. And use some tiny pieces to make the polka dots. Roll out a long thin sausage shape in yellow and add some small dots of pink. This will create the scarf. Now let's add some small dots of black Play-Doh for the buttons. Roll out a tiny piece of orange Play-Doh for the carrot and using a cocktail stick, make a hole. Add the carrot to the face. Now let's make the eyes. Use 2 small pieces of blue and make them into flat circles. Then add a tiny piece of black Play-Doh for the pupils. Add these to the face. Now roll out some brown Play-Doh into a long thin sausage shape. Use the cocktail stick to make holes for arms. Make hand shapes at one end of the brown Play-Doh. Now we can add the arms to the snowman. And there you have it. You can make lots of different snowmen wearing lots of different clothes. I hope you've enjoyed making your Play-Doh snowmen. Please come back and watch some more videos soon, and we'll see you again next time.